So part of the deal for the tractor that I bought, my uncle's old 57 Ford, I got the finishing mower with it, and I also got a winch. So I'm here at my mom and dad's. We're going to pick this thing up right now. You can go up higher if you need. Yep. Alright, now she's out. This thing's gonna come in handy for skidding logs. Okay, so this is my dad's 41 horsepower LS tractor. This was also my Uncle Mike's, but my dad recently just bought it from my aunt. This is a 2013 R4041. So it's a 41 horsepower tractor, and it's got 168 hours. It's 6 years old, and there have never been any issues with it. I just thought I'd show you this because I know some people worry about the LS brand and their durability and having issues with it. But so far there have been no issues at all with this tractor. You mounted a little toolbox on the side. One thing I like better about mine, the fuel tank's up high on this one, mine's down low. But this one doesn't sit as high as mine either. It's got the light on the back, 2 sets of rear remotes, plug, adjustable 3-point arms. You don't have a drawbar on it. You notice that?
I don't know if you had it off. It could be laying on the bench.
Okay.
I don't know.
I was gonna say, it had a drawbar at one time, you can tell. Okay, so with Father's Day right around the corner, I thought it'd be a good time to mention our recent partnership with SawHaul, the makers of this chainsaw carrier right here. Kenny, he's a good guy. It's a family-owned business, American-made. And you can get these for your tractors, your side-by-side, four-wheeler, pretty much anything now. But we've partnered up with them, and we can now offer you guys a 5% discount if you go to www.sawhaul.com, and you can get a 5% discount on your whole order if you use the promo code Mallard5. I'll put that across the bottom. It's all caps. But we are really excited about this. This is a great product. Kenny's a great guy, and I would highly recommend, if you're using your tractor a lot or your side-by-side for cutting firewood, to get one of these to keep your chainsaws safe. So go check them out. Be sure to like and subscribe, and check out the description for Amazon products that we like to use here at the farmhouse. Thanks for watching.